I'm 10 years old and I'm studying at Windsor Primary School. Our Earth is a beautiful planet. It has blue skies, rich land, beautiful ocean and lakes produce important things that people need to live. My topic today is process of nature. There are four main forces of nature. The forces are earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, and blizzards. The first one is the earthquakes. Earthquakes is made by the energy that the plate has made. This energy is created by the plate when it moves quickly. When there are earthquakes, the plate will release this energy very quick, make the crust of the earth be broken. That's why when there's an earthquake, it can destroy objects, and even buildings can also collapse. The next one is the hurricanes. Hurricanes are large, violent storms. It forms over one ocean water and can grow to over 500 kilometers wide. It can destroy buildings and homes, create floods, knock down trees, hurt plants, fish, and corals. The next force is tornadoes. Tornadoes usually look like a funnel. It has strong winds, can be up to 400 kilometers per hour. It formed before a thunderstorm. It has grown and spin horizontally and vertically. It can destroy homes and trees, lift cars, lift objects. An average tornado has 75 meters wide. In North Africa, there are more tornadoes than many other countries than the rest countries of the world. The last force is the blizzards. In cold climates, snowy days are common. However, sometimes blizzards can completely cover an area. Blizzards are very dangerous to drive in because drivers can't see far away and may lose control of their car on the snowy road. Heavy snow can also break power lines and the roof of their homes. But luckily, the warning system for this dangerous process. If there are hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, or blizzards, there will be the weather forecast can tell the people and they can move to another place for their safety. Thank you for listening and goodbye.